How to get a soundboard on Fortnite where you could get sounds like the honk or the sad sound, all for completely free. You could also upload and add your own sounds. You could also find 1,000 other sounds such as cats, dogs, or the prank star. You could be doing all this while using your mic, so you could talk at the same time while play the sounds. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your browser. Then once you're in your browser, you're gonna have to search up voice mod, and you're gonna have to click on the second link right here. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description too. It should say voicemod.net. Then once you're here, you're gonna have to click on download for free. Once you click on that, it should make you sign in. Then once you sign in, it should take a while and it should automatically download. And if it does, you're gonna have to click on this link right here where it says please click if it doesn't download automatically. So just click on that. Then once you click on that, it should download. So just cross this out. Now you're gonna go to your files. You're gonna have to go to downloads. Then once you're in downloads, it should be right here. Just click on that. Now it should ask you to select setup language. Just click on English. Now for this, just click on next. For this, just click on I accept the argument. For this, just click on next. Next again. Next again. Now as you guys can see, it's installing right here. I was going to tell you to plug your headphone in, so just click on next. From here, obviously you're going to have to click on soundboards because we don't want voice changes as of right now, but you could also use voice changes if that's what you want. But on soundboards, you're going to have to click on voice mode starter. Then once you click on that, you have a lot of options right here. For example, you have the alert, you have arrow, you have honk, you have the sad sound. So you have a lot of options you could choose from. If you click on this, you have way more options. You have cats, you have dogs, you have a lot of options you could go through, like a lot. But if you want to add a custom soundboard, you're going to have to click on the second option right here. Now from here, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're going to have to select one of them. So for example, I select on this one right here. I could upload my own sounds, my own soundboard. So if you want a sound from TikTok, you're going to have to go on TikTok, find the sound, and you're going to have to search up TikTok sound converter. It's going to make you download it super easy, super simple, and it's super helpful. Alright, now from here, what you have to do is you're going to have to go on Fortnite. Then once you're on Fortnite, you're going to have to go to settings. Then once you're on settings, you're going to have to go to the audio option right here, which is the second option. Now from here, you're going to have to scroll down. And for the audio output device, you're going to have to put the voice mode virtual audio device, which should be the last one. So just click on that, click on apply. Then once you click on apply, now you're going to have to click on the third option right here where it says communication. Now from here, you're going to have to go on voice chat method. It should be a third option right here. Now from here, make sure you have voice chat on. So just put on open mic or push to talk, whatever you want. For voice chat input device and the voice chat output device, the two important ones. So for both, put voice mode virtual audio device. For the second one, put line voice mod virtual audio device and just click on apply. Make sure this both are on voice mode virtual audio device in order for this to work. Then once you do that, if you go into a game right now, you could use your mic while you're using the soundboards. You could troll your teammates. You could do whatever you want. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.